Welcome. Today, you'll learn how to use Google Drive files offline on your mobile device perfect for those moments when you need access to important documents but don't have an internet connection. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Google Drive app installed and that you're signed into your Google account. Once you're in the app, you'll see all your files and folders neatly organized. Now scroll through your Drive and find the file you want to access offline. This could be a document, spreadsheet, or presentation, anything you might need when you're away from Wi-Fi or mobile data. Next, look for the three dots icon right next to the file's name. This is the More menu, where you'll find extra options for managing your files. Tap on those three dots to open the menu. In the list of options that appears, you'll see one labeled Make Available Offline. Tap this option. Google Drive will now download the file to your device, making it accessible even when your phone isn't connected to the internet. You'll notice a small checkmark or icon next to the file once it's ready for offline use. This is your confirmation that the file is stored locally and can be opened anytime, anywhere. If you want to make more files available offline, just repeat these steps for each one. Remember, you'll need to set up offline access while you still have an internet connection. Once you're offline, open the Google Drive app as usual, and your saved files will be ready to view or edit depending on the file type and the apps you have installed. That's all it takes. With just a few taps, you can ensure your most important files are always at your fingertips, no matter where you are. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the freedom of working with Google Drive online or offline.